Hey guys and girls, in this video we will go over the 10 best brain foods that will also help you get in shape. Number 10. Dark chocolate. This one is going to be everyone's favorite, and it is my personal favorite because it feels like eating something that I would want to eat anyway and still knowing that it is extremely good for my brain health. Dark chocolate is good for your brain. Dark chocolate boosts concentration, mood, and actually improves blood flow to the brain. The darker the chocolate, the better. Number 9. Eggs. There are a number of reasons why eggs are great for the brain, with essential fatty acids, vitamin B6 and B12, folate and choline, which help regulate mood, memory, and cognitive function. Not only will eggs get your brain in shape, eggs contain an abundance of protein that will help you get your body in shape as well. Number 8. Broccoli. Your mom was right. Broccoli is good for your health and for your brain because it has a high amount of antioxidants as well as vitamin K, so it helps protect the brain against damage, and it helps with better memory function. Number 7. Blueberries, another tasty one. Blueberries provide anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects which help combat brain aging and neurodegenerative diseases and also support improved communication between brain cells. Number 6. Avocado. Containing good, healthy fats, avocados increase a number of different feel-good chemicals in the brain. Avocados are also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids that assist with brain function, mood regulation, and emotions. Avocados are also great for getting into shape because they cause you to feel full faster, making you eat less. A great way to eat them is to make a paste and spread it onto toast with salt and pepper and add some taste. Number 5. Salmon. The omega-3 fatty acids in wild salmon and sardines are good for the brain. If you're not getting enough of these essential fatty acids, you may notice a cognitive decline, emotional imbalances, and mood issues. Number 4. Nuts/walnuts. Nuts, and in particular walnuts, improve cognition and memory and slow mental decline. If you notice, we look at a walnut, what does it look like? It looks like a brain. Walnuts also contain omega-3 fatty acids, so there's double the reason to enjoy these nuts for healthy brain activity. Number 3. Turmeric. Turmeric is extremely good for the brain with great anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, helps to improve memory, ease depression, and help new brain cells grow. Number 2. Water. Your body is 70% water. Your brain is 70% water, and you want to be able to hydrate that. Your brain is only about 2% of your body mass, but it requires 20% of the nutrients, so keep that water up. Water speeds everything up. When you drink enough water, it's like putting oil on your bike chain to make it run smoothly. Number 1. Vegetables. My personal least favorite, containing large amounts of folate, green leafy vegetables and spinach in particular, can help reduce symptoms of depression and are very neuroprotective.